How to reset the password of First Horizon bank account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset your First Horizon bank account's password. So if you've forgotten your password or if you have simply lost your password, this is what you'll need to do to recover it. First, simply search for First Horizon bank account on your web browser. Then go to the login page. After you're here, all you have to do is tap on this forgot ID or password, this one. Tap on it and it should redirect you to another page. Now right here you'll need to select what your account type is. I'll just leave it at personal. Then follow along with this. Now just fill out the form and give it all the information that it asks. So type in your last information here, then your social security number. After you do that, you can then type in your date of birth and then tap on continue. Follow and give them the details. You can follow the prompts, and at the end you should have reset your password, and that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.